Hey friends, if you encounter the error, a debugger has been found running in your system on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, this can happen with a certain game or a program, and it has been explained on the Microsoft Answers forum. For example, this guy encountered this issue while playing this game, Crossfire Europe. So, here's what you have to do: search for the game or application. Let's say it's ShareX on my computer, and then uninstall it completely. Once it is uninstalled, search for the Microsoft Store and then go to the Microsoft Store. Okay, and then search for ShareX in the in the search bar, and then go to ShareX and then install it. This is just an example. Now, if this application is not available on the Microsoft Store, try downloading it from the manufacturer's website, but not from a third party website. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.